I'm very excited about my association with field services because this is the growth engine of the organization. This is where one can experience the full range of Schneider Electric offers, explore futuristic technologies, provide real solutions to customers, and build a great career for themselves. Hi, I'm Shikha, an HR professional, a passionate DEI advocate, having an exciting career journey at Schneider for more than 11 years now. I lead the HR BPs, partnering with field services team to drive people priorities, well aligned with the business vision. Most of my work revolves around enabling our employees and managers develop themselves, their teams, and build great careers in the organization. Field services is one of the unique places where one can become a technical expert or develop strong consulting sales mindset or work with some of the best tendering experts. You can keep growing within field services, or you can branch out to any other part of the organization, because you would have developed understanding of almost all our businesses. With India being a global hub for innovation, manufacturing and talent for Schneider Electric, in field services we see so many opportunities for our talents to build international careers, work in cross-cultural teams while not being constrained by the geographical boundaries. In fact, the world is our oyster. We strongly believe in an equitable culture, and we have policies and processes which nurture that. This is an organization that celebrates your uniqueness, provides support and interventions as per your unique needs, and respects the perspective and thoughts that you bring. I can confidently say that if you are interested to work in an exciting, empowering, and enriching environment, and if you want to bring about a real change in the world, you will not find a place better than Schneider Electric.